punctured. It needs to be patched and inflated. Tap the magnifying glass. We need to pull out the nail. Tap the pliers. Done. First, let's clean the rubber around the hole in the tire. Drag the sandpaper onto the rubber. Now apply glue to the cleaned area. Now apply glue to the cleaned area. Drag the patch onto the tire to stick it. Now let's inflate the tire. Tap the pump. Amazing! The motorcycle's upholstery is worn out. It needs to be replaced. Drag the old parts to the trash bin. Drag the old parts to the trash. Drag the new parts to their proper places on the motorcycle. Drag the spray onto the new parts to apply polish. Drag the spray onto the new parts to apply polish. Amazing! Now everything needs to be wiped down well.